A house for us, this narrative revolves around the family or community striving to build a home, symbolizing their collective dreams, unity, and aspirations for stability and a better future. The house represents both a physical and emotional space of belonging. A house for us explores themes of identity, belonging, and displacement. The story starts in protagonist's family's search for a genuine home, emphasizing the need for stability and security in life. It also examines the relationship between home and identity, emphasizing the importance of personal relationships and memories. A House for Us by Itidal Osman explores the family, belonging, and immigrant experience. The story begins by challenges faced by the families seeking a permanent place to call home. The house in the story symbolizes stability and security, representing the desire for belonging and identity among displaced or immigrant families. It embodies hope, unity, and dreams for a better future, transcending the physical shelter as a symbol of belonging and identity.